Hey guys, and this is Gabriel. Here with me is Alan, aka obviously Alan Ulan, and Stefan, aka NBA All Stars, here with me. And I just want to show you a Flood Runner 4 of Let's Play. And if you don't know this game, I'm going to show you all about it. And you can see I already started. But my Alan, he's also playing this game, and he's recording with me right now. And I hope you like this video.
Subscribe to my channel for more.
Yeah, subscribe to all my friends and help me build a better
YouTube channel.
Yeah, I'm talking, but I'm talking. Okay. No, I'm joking. So
Like my attention.
oh no.
So hope you enjoyed
Yeah,
the
okay.
game so far.
What? I got Superman power. Look.
Now
And also NBA All Stars playing with me. Dude, look at Alan. I got superpower. And you can hear him talk, saying he got super. And I will show you that there's superpowers like perks. There's perks here. And if you get more of those honey things, that's not. You get more enchants. And I just want to show you. You saw that gun right there? It was over here. But if you go to if this right here is a surfboard. So I want to show you what it's gonna do. See, it's a surfboard, and you get a chance of, if you fall in, you can get game over, or monsters come up and try to kill you, and then you have to do like the arrow keys, up, down, side, up, and that would make you to go again. And I think my favorite perk is Superman. Come on, do it. See, there's a chance if you get it. And yeah, just hope you enjoy. Leave a like. And there's also you saw how I went the space helmet, and you saw how I went in space. And there's also a scuba tank, and there's perks up here. If you see up here, there's perks. It's kind of like perks, and every time you upgrade a level, you get different kind of ways you can get higher levels. And here is this game is just for. Sorry for the noise. I'll actually be right back. And we're back. I just had a little talk, and everything's alright. Thanks, Jackson. Yeah, that's fine. So, when I want to see, there's every time you pass a level, like up here, when you beat different stages, kind of like different stages, there's different animals right here, and you can do like different moves. Like, let me try to do the move. It's kind of hard. So I'll just show you later. So if you jump down there, the shield will obviously help you on everything. And you see, it's kind of game. I'm just trying to get a monster so I can show you. And Stefan and Alan are level. Stefan is level 13 and Alan is level 20, the same as me. But I'm almost level 21, so I'm trying to beat them.
Yeah, guys.
And Brady's level is 26 because he's been playing more than me. And we hope you subscribe to us. I would really appreciate it. And I just let me see if I can. You see how there's different levels here? You see it's in space, but then when you get lower, there's different like dinosaurs. See here, there's snow, and then you see in another level there's dinosaurs. That my favorite, I think it's glide. Yeah. My favorite is I actually don't know all of them. So let me see something for a second. So if you go down here, you see how there's key combos. If you break it, then you can do whatever. Like you go back to playing. And there's every time you play, there's new animals. And you see how there's lava and then there's water. Here, hold on, I'm just gonna try to. Oh, you saw that move? It's the spin move. Right there. So now let me try to. There we go. You see, there's different kind of moves. You see, it goes like this. And there's different perks like this. This one's my favorite, the Superman one. And there's also a dragon one. There's a dragon animal, and if you jump on it, you can ride them and everywhere. But this one, I like the most. And I hope you guys. You saw the gun. Well, I hope you guys will try this game out. It's called Flood Runner 4 again. And it can go levels to levels to levels to levels. It's unlimited, so you can have as like you never get bored or something. Or right here, and then to kill the monsters, you can do an arrow key right when you get to them, or you can just press down. See, this is my second favorite. It's weapons. This one's I like this one because obviously if you're low health, you can use this and nothing will hurt you. So like this, you see? And you see the next level is Fire Dragon right here, and that's level 21, 22 actually. Sorry, and that's levels. But you can get more. See, you see the scuba dive right here? I'm going to show you what it does in just a moment. So, the scuba diver thing, it goes underwater, so you can see wherever it, like, you go down. I'm just going to show you just a moment. And they have a shield, they have that. Okay. So, there. You go under, you see? And then you have to swim up unless if you're gonna die, because you saw that could have caught you and killed you. But there's stuff like this, like rocks, you have to break it. And I'm just gonna end off this video now. This is part 1, and hope you leave a like. Bye.